How to fix Google Gemini unable to upload photo problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Google Gemini unable to upload photo error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is to fix your problem. Try the basic solutions like checking your internet connection. So swipe down from the top, long press on your Wi-Fi. Then your internet settings will open up. You can restart your Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi, and then turn it on. Then connect to a better Wi-Fi, and after you do that, you can also use your mobile data if you'd like. Then what you'll need to do is open up your Gemini, scroll till you find a Gemini, then open that up, and check if your problem has been fixed. If it's still not fixed, you might want to restart the app. So simply swipe up from the bottom, then simply remove your app from the background. After you remove the app from your background, your problem should be fixed. If that does not work, update the app. So to do that, head over to your Google Play Store, search for Gemini. Then after you find Gemini, check if it's updated to the latest version. If you see the update button, tap on update and update your app. After you've updated the app, your problem should be fixed. Then the final thing that you might want to do is clear out your app's cache. To clear out your app's cache, open up your settings. Then go to apps. Then if you see Gemini there, open it up. If you don't see it, tap on see all apps and then find Gemini. Let me open it up from here. Then there you'll see storage and cache. Tap on storage and cache. Then there you'll see clear cache option. Tap on it to clear out your cache. Then your problem should be fixed. If not, wait and retry. The issue could be due to temporary server overload, so you can try again in 15 to 30 minutes. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.